My proposals also include improving our ability to train and build capacity in NATO partner countries, because this is a more sustainable way to contribute to stability in our neighborhood and to fight terrorism. Political coordination among allies is another important area for NATO 2030. To use NATO more as a platform for consultation and coordination on more issues and in more formats. At the same time, we need to enhance our political and practical cooperation with like-minded democracies around the world, so we can protect the rules-based order, which is undermined by countries that do not share our values, like Russia and China. NATO must also do more to address the security implications of climate change. This affects all of us, and our alliance must play its role by reducing vulnerabilities and emissions from the military sector. Today, we had a great start to our discussion to build a substantial and forward-looking agenda for the NATO summit, to secure a more peaceful and prosperous future through a strong transatlantic alliance. I propose for heads of state and government, when they meet later on this year, that they should agree to update the NATO strategic concept. I do so because I think the time is right. We have a strategic concept we agreed back in 2010, and that concept has actually served us well. But since then, the security environment we face has fundamentally changed. For instance, in the current strategic concept, we are not addressing the shifting balance of power and the security consequences of the rise of China. We hardly mention climate change. Back in 2010, we were working for establishing what we then referred to as a strategic partnership with Russia. Since then, we have seen Russia being responsible for aggressive actions against the neighbors, the illegal annexation of Crimea, and things have fundamentally changed. So we need to update our strategic concept, we need to recommit to our core values, and we need to use the strategic concept to further strengthen the bond between North America and Europe.